Experience the driver assistance systems in various driving situations. Sometimes your attention can slip for a moment. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist activates when it detects a collision risk. It warns you of the risk and automatically applies the brakes. Driver Attention Warning monitors for reduced attentiveness and recommends when to take a break. The vehicle notifies you when the vehicle ahead begins to move. Lane Keeping Assist activates when driving at a certain speed or higher. It recognizes lane markings, helps keep you centered, and warns you if you drift out of the lane. If you keep drifting out of the lane, short press the Lane Driving Assist button to activate Lane Following Assist. It helps you stay centered in your lane while driving. Press the Driving Assist button to activate Smart Cruise Control. You can set the speed and drive without using the pedals. It also detects vehicles ahead and maintains a safe following distance. Make sure to keep your foot near the brake pedal in case something unexpected happens. Although these systems provide assistance, it's still important to always remain aware of your surroundings and drive safely.
Kia. Movement that inspires.